back, and today we're adding more power. We're doing delivery valves. This is the guy right here. This is who you need to get hold of. A little side-by-side comparison for you here. Our stock delivery valve, also known as a 131. Get the light just right for you here. This is similar to what's in the truck now. And this is what's going in the truck. Alright, now we can get to our DVs here soon. Injector lines off. A couple different ways you can do this. You can either take the intake horn off and take all 6 injectors as an assembly, or because of this aftermarket style intake horn, it's easy to get to the clamp that holds them all together, and that splits it into 2 sections, front and back. So then you can just go out the back and out the front. Most of you know that, but just in case you didn't. Delivery valves out, all the holes cleaned. Now, and again the comparison here between what was in the truck. Check the shoulder here and what's going in the truck. Should be a pretty good difference in power.